And welcome back to another video. So this is a quick little life hack video. You have these Oster blenders, they're super nice, but they do have a little issue. Sometimes you go to put it on there and it doesn't fit. So if you go to put it on there and it doesn't go down properly, then you can just spin that a little bit. So sometimes it's like this and it fits on there kind of crooked. That just means that the hole on the bottom hasn't lined up with that. So sometimes it'll go like that. You can either take this off and turn that a little bit, or maybe if you rotate this a little bit, it seems to be going on there nicely. But we were having some issues before when we just bought it. This was a little bit stiffer, and then you try to put this on there, and it's like that. It's like, hey, how come it's not going on there? You definitely don't want to try to start your blender when it's like this. It's not good. So wiggle it around and it'll go into place, or you can take that off and just turn it manually with your hand. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye now. Take care.